Meteorologist Justin Goldstein with us tonight. You know, this isn't going to be nice, but the good news, it could have been a whole lot worse what's coming our way, right?
How about a couple of inches, maybe a foot of snow and harsh wind, blizzard warnings? Not here.
Could have been, but not
Could
here.
have been, not
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
We've just got the wind and the cold for tomorrow. And that wind, we've been explaining it for days upon days. This storm has been in the models for nearly a week. Lucky for us, it's more of the outer effects of it, just the wind and the cold. But let's talk about some of the impact from the wind. When you get gusts to 40, 45, 50, 55, which we are expecting tomorrow, some small branches and small limbs, especially the weaker trees, they can snap and you get sporadic power outages as they fall on power lines. We're not looking for widespread destruction. That is not what we're looking for. This is more sporadic in nature, and garbage cans and trash cans will be lost if they're not tied down correctly. That kind of event here. Several rain chances inside the 8-day forecast, and notice we say rain, not snow, as we do trend milder in the days ahead. And it looks like the mild weather, seasonable temperatures stick around for quite a while. 36 North Haven, 35 Brantford, it's 36 in Bethany and Seymour as we focus in on New Haven County. Rest of the state follows suit, low to mid 30s right now, well below normal yet again. We should be in the low 50s. There is nothing close resembling that on this map right now. Let's show you the player. This is it. We've been talking about it for days. Snow extends from the Great Lakes on the harsh wind on the backside all the way now down to the eastern seaboard. This is rain, heavy at that, from Richmond, Norfolk, Virginia, down to the Outer Banks. This is just in the development stages. 12 hours from now on satellite, this will look like a winter hurricane. That's how large this will be. But thankfully for us, we're on the backside of that. Clouds already streaming in. Now, we will see some very light snow, and that's the good news, the operative word being light snow. Let's go hour by hour. Blue is the snow showers that we will be seeing. Because the wind will be so gusty overnight tonight and first thing tomorrow morning as we continue through the morning hours, any snow that would fall, it's just not going to stick. It's going to be whipped around and blown around. Here we are first thing in the morning, back edge of the snow right in New London County and quickly pulling away. That's when the wind really picks up tomorrow during the afternoon. Watch the storm system develop. Here it is off the Outer Banks. It runs up the eastern seaboard. Notice the arrows spinning around and around in a counterclockwise motion. It's getting larger and larger as it races towards the Canadian Maritimes. Here it is tomorrow at 7 o'clock in the evening. And that's when the wind will start to die down around sunset tomorrow. So a good 12 hours from sun up to sundown, a very intense gusty wind. 25 inland, 28 on the shoreline, some flurries around. But the reason why we've got this background here, because of the wind, any flurries around will be whipped side to side. Look at the temperature trend, 51, that's normal for the week ahead. In the 30s tomorrow, climbing close to 40 on Thursday. Then by Friday, above normal, and then we stay there for a couple of days, and we'll add a couple of more degrees to that. But tomorrow, only 37 to 38. The wind, it's just best described as harsh. Dress for wind chills in the 20s tomorrow. Here's the 8-day forecast. 40 brighter, not as gusty on Thursday. 55 on Friday. There are some spotty rain chances Friday afternoon. Looks like a better chance Friday night into Saturday. But look at those high temperatures. Finally, where we should be, there are a couple of crooked numbers. 60s in there for Friday and Monday. You know, Monday's a big day down the road, about 60 or 70 miles, opening day. We've got opening day Tuesday night in the Bronx. Weather looks good for these events.
You're not a sports fan at all, are you?
No, I'm just, everybody likes sports. And, finally getting some good weather for some of the big events going on nearby.
Spring weather.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's about time.